When it comes to Tuanjiehu Water Park, it was the source of joy in the childhoods of countless people in Beijing. Having been closed for several years, it has surprisingly undergone a stunning transformation and a complete upgrade. This old park has been revitalized. Now this childhood water paradise is back, refreshed, louder, and cooler than ever. Today I'm running to Tuanjiehu Water Park in flip-flops and swimsuit in hand, here to explore it for you guys. The wave pool, nearly 2,000 square meters in size, sends wave after wave of artificial surf freshening. With real feel waves and colorful slides, excitement here knows no age. The nearly 300-meter-long lazy river is a perfect spot for relaxation, sitting on an inflatable ring, drifting slowly with the current, enjoying the surrounding scenery and feeling the coolness of summer. There's no need to worry about dining options either. Both Chinese and Western cuisines are available. What's more, there are also night sessions.
We're gonna do some close chair.
Make sure to come check it out. This is more than a makeover. It's Beijing staying young at heart, in a summer playground for all ages.